آمین الحمدللہ رب العالمین والصلاة والسلام علی رسولہ محمد وآلہ واصحابہ اجمعین شبیہ الخلقہ ولا مانع لما منعت الحمدللہ اللہم انا نجعلک فی
الحمدللہ رب العالمین والعاقبۃ للمتقین الصلاة والسلام علی سید الانبیاء والمتقین الصلاة والسلام علی سیدنا رضل علینا منائد لأولنا وآخرنا وآیة منک وارزقنا اللہ تعالی علی خیر خلقہ محمد وآلہ واصحابہ اجمعین آمین برحمتک یا ارحم الراحمین. PC cable, one core, 600 square, including I think for system, two systems, and is hostels, and lighting
Merit-based scholarship to the highest achievers of all classes have been awarded with merit-based scholarship. Furthermore, to encourage the cadets to achieve better results in ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to report that MOU has been signed with Sindh Education Foundation for provision of 10
feeling or the emotions and the pride that all these parents are feeling today who are attending the 26th Parents' Day of Sangghड़ Cadet College. मैं उर्दू में भी बात करना चाहूँगी.
Will receive certificate from the chief guest.
Excellent to hear. We are very, very proud. We want to photograph taken, so let's do it. Thank you. Excellent. Keep it up. Keep making us proud. Khan, congratulations and all the best to you. We are very proud of you. Walaikum assalam and congratulations and all the best and keep working hard.
Now, on the
How are you and congratulations to you. I hope your experience here has been tremendous. Yes, all the best to you.
Then Odo was declared best in drill in interdivisional drill competition.
Great, I'm inspired by your vocals. All the best to you. Make us proud. Continue to do that.
Is also the div commander of today's guard, and he is also the good swimmer of the college.
Great. All the best to you. Best wishes.
Without sword in interdivision drill competition.
Very happy and all the best to you. Congratulations. Kitty guy. Sangghड़ guy.
Best shooter for the best shooter in interdivision sports championship 2022.
Congratulations. All the best to you.
Best rider. He is good at tent pegging and horse show jumping.
Congratulations. All the best.
Best debater for the at various elite institutions of our country. Best athlete for the year 2020.
All rounder.